Today, let's discuss another narrator. Our assumption when we are reading stories is that narrators are reliable because, after all, they shape the way we view the story. But there are multiple instances where a narrator is actually someone whose credibility is compromised either due to their limited understanding, biases, or deliberate attempts to deceive the reader. Some texts are cleverly done in such a way that we wouldn't even realize that the narrator is unreliable until the very end. So, for example, Humbert Humbert in Vladimir Nabokov's Lolita present a distorted view of events due to his obsession with the titular character. So Lolita is an infamous novel that romanticizes the gross pedophilia. It's an old man lasting after a young woman. And because we're looking at it from the perspective of Humbert Humbert, we think that it's romanticized, that it's fun. But actually, if we shift our focus, we'll see that this man is nothing but a gross pedophile. So he is an unreliable narrator. There are other novels or texts that do